Coming into the day, we had a gap really no gap, and rallied. In hindsight, it was sideways most of the day, but still, you look from the open, you look to the close, and you've got a bull trend. So you expect some sort of, sideways into the open. But bar one, not anything special. Wouldn't do anything. You can buy the close, betting that price will go above. You could probably sell the high, scaling higher, but it's not a great thing to do. And then you can see bulls sold more higher. Low one, but again, tight trading range, not good. Buyers below, probably sellers above. And found buyers. You can call it a high two, but tight trading range, inside bar, bulls will buy, stop below, but not a great buy. And not great follow through, but you may get some sort of kind of just tight channel up, and kind of what we're doing. It's always in long, never went always in short, but this is pretty hard to stay long. And again, we're just channels kind of getting tighter and tighter. So, maybe we've seen the low of the day. Micro channel, first reversal down will probably fail. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. About an 11 bar micro channel, first reversal down will fail, so traders will buy and buy more lower. And they'll also buy the close and buy more lower, confident that they'll make money. So they buy the low, they buy more lower, they get out. But, with tight channels like this that are after all of this, you can often just go sideways for many bars, kind of like this, and get a deeper pullback than you want. And as you can see, here's the high close, 72.25. Here's the high, 72.50. So it did meet the minimum. But realistically, this probably isn't the high of the day. Although it's not a great to be just holding long here either. There's the risk you get a downside breakout. But, you're getting, however you want to look at it, tight channel, broke below the channel, turned up. You could draw it like that if you want. It doesn't really matter. Or you could say that the channel's expanding to here, and then you draw it like that. It really doesn't matter. It's more important, tight trading range, better to probably do nothing and wait. This is just probably untradeable. Triangle, 1, 2, 3, maybe 1, 2, 3, not great shape, so tight trading range, maybe just triangle in here. Better to wait until you see something. And, as far as, you can kind of zoom in, but you're getting overlap on every single bar. It's just not really a great environment. Call it a wedge, 1, 2, 3. Again, fairly tight, but, if you bought here, again, it's another way to put it, it's like this. You have gaps here and you have gaps here. So this is deceivingly strong. And I'm going to go ahead and kind of zoom out because that was most of the day. This is your 15-minute chart. We maybe touched the moving average once. 54. Arguably we didn't even touch the moving average. 60-minute chart, even tighter. Or 30-minute chart, even tighter. 60-minute chart. Look how many bull bars you've gotten. So it's deceiving because it's strong, and it's follow through on a daily chart. So we gap down, another bull bar. Magnet 4,400 above. You have to somewhat question if we'll have to get there before we turn down. But again, you're pretty high in the range. I don't really have a lot to say about this day. Fairly boring day. It's not a great always in market, so it's hard to talk about always in, but if you had to do anything, maybe buy bar one, stop below, and where do you get out? Do you get out up here? You can. Expecting we're going to test the moving average, you get out below that bar. Not that simple. You probably know where good to get out, so maybe you just stay long and then you get out below here. But it's starting to form a tight trading range. You're probably not going to go that low. And arguably this is minor, but you may test all the way down here because this isn't a major reversal. This is a major reversal. And, you know, maybe you buy again here, but very tight trading range, not great to buy. And this, if you buy above here, probably not good to put your stop down here. You may get stopped out. And, you know, you didn't there, but, you know, and just keep kind of going sideways up. And I'll do the other day in a separate video.